Hello guys and welcome back. In this lecture I will explain alter statement. So basically with the help of alter statements we can able to modify existing structures of database objects. So for that one alter statement provide four different kind of keywords like add, modify, drop column and rename column. So whenever you add keyword with in the alter statement, that will add new columns to existing table. Okay, so if you use modify, with the help of modify we can able to change existing data type. So third one is drop column. So with the help of drop column keyword we can able to delete particular column from the table. Next we have rename column. If you want to rename any existing column in a table, we are using this particular rename column. Now I will show you practically by following all this syntax. Okay, so first I will add one new column. So for that one we are using this particular syntax. So I copy this syntax, paste it in SQL developer. So in previous lecture I already create one student table, right? For this one I will add one new column. So by using this syntax, so comment it out first this one. Okay, now what I will do, by using above syntax I will add new column. Okay, alter table student, this is already existing table, then use keyword add column. So then provide column name, whatever column you want to add, provide that particular column name. In my case I will add student gender column, gender. So initially I declare this one as only single character. It means M means male, F means female. So I declare as char and put it as semicolon. Now if you execute this query, so before we don't have gender column for this particular student table. If you run this query, now here we get this particular table students is altered. Now again if you run this query, see now gender column gets added. So this way we can add as many as columns we want in the particular table. Next, modify column. With the help of modify columns we can able to change existing data types. So copy this syntax again. Now comment it out. Okay, so now alter table students. Okay, before perform this alter statement, first we need to check structures of existing table. Okay, students, run this query. Now see, in previous case I use this particular gender as only single characters with size as 1. Now I want to change this data type from char to varchar2. Okay, so in that case I am using this particular modify column, modify keyword. Okay, student, then use modify, then provide column name. So in my case I am changing data type for gender column. Now its existing char I will convert this one as varchar2. So varchar2, provide varchar2 with 10 characters. That's it. Okay, now if I run this query, table gets altered. This particular char data type converted as varchar2. Now again if you run this particular query, now see, before it is char. Whenever we perform modify keyword with alter statement, then this particular data type gender column data type converted as varchar2. Okay, next we'll see another option, drop column. So if you want to drop particular column from table, we are using this particular drop column. So copy this syntax again, make it as a multi-line comments. Okay, now I want to delete this particular gender column. Okay, so I will use same alter table students table. So now again I delete this particular gender column from this particular table. Okay, in this case drop column, provide that whatever column you want to remove from this table, provide that particular column name. In my case, I am removing gender column from this student table. Now execute, see student table gets altered. Now if I run this query again, see gender column gets deleted from this table. So this way we will use drop column with alter statement. Next we have rename column. So if you want to rename any existing column name to new column, we are using this particular rename column option. So same way, commented out this syntax. So here I will rename this particular s underscore name as student name, full name. Okay, so alter table, so students table. Okay, then we should provide rename column as keyword. Then you should provide existing column first. It means old column name first. So here old column is s underscore name. Then we will convert that into using two keyword. After that provide new column name, student name. Now run this query. See, this student table also gets altered. Now if you run this query, see student name as s underscore name converted as student name. Okay, this way we can perform alter statements by using different keywords. Okay, so once you practice, then you will get clarity on this particular alter statement. So if you have any queries, please post your queries in question and answer sessions. I will provide the solution for those things. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you.